Hello, my lovely vigilant air signs, Gemini, Aquarius, and Libra. How are you? So, getting right into it, your energy really picked me up from the water signs. Most importantly, your guys' energy was in gals, guys and gals, and them and they, whichever pronouns you're comfortable with. I'm just sorry, I gotta say it. anyway, you guys' energy really picked me up a bit. It felt really ready to build kind of energy, ready to really bring what you want into this reality. Like, you guys aren't stuck in your heads. You guys have been in your heads. You guys have definitely been in your heads, my air signs. But you guys are it really feels like a more tangible, physical, just okay, thinking of your next moves and really enjoying the process of that. Like, if you set a goal of, I want to save this amount of money in my account by the end of the year, and you've really been sticking to it, you've really been enjoying the process of organizing your bills, your budget, very pinnacle type things, very financial, but not just money, just like you're really getting your ducks in order so that they swim in like a real nice formation when everything is said and done. So I got the Tayo, Gaia, Dreams of Gaia, and Romance Tarot. Romance Tarot kind of caught me off guard, but then I realized how sweet that deck. I like this deck, not because of like the romantic part of the tarot. It's because it has such a light-hearted, sweet vibe to it. It's so gentle. I love it. It's so gentle. So yeah, that's what's been happening, and I think this is gonna be my last video for the day, because I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm doing these videos back to back now. Anyway, enough about me. Let's begin, shall we? What should I start with? I'll do Gaia, the Tayo deck, for balance, because you guys seem really like you're really balancing your spirituality and practicality. Your inner and outer worlds, your internal and external, have been really coming into alignment. I'm proud of y'all. Alright, let's do this. Dreams of Gaia. What's going on with my vigilant air signs? Ooh, we got the Hero and the Six of Water. Feels like you're really taking charge and being the hero in your own story and not letting anyone write it for you. You're being very given, your heart's open, your eyes open, your heart is in your hand, not even on your sleeve, it's in your hand. Like, you're really giving of yourself to yourself, I might add, to yourself. Oh, and my apologies if you guys hear any like beeping and stuff, fire alarms being a little crazy. But anyway, everywhere. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that at all. You guys have like a really unbothered energy. I like it. Feels so nice. I heard that Little Duval song. I like playing it when I'm feeling really good. It's called Smile. I heard, I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. Okay. Ah, I see. Okay, we got the 5 of fire here. Now I see. But it feels like very separate from you guys. I'll put one more. Oop. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, water underneath. So, new emotional endeavors. Could be relationship, could just be getting closer to family, friends, kind of like an upgrade, like a new cycle in your current relationships as well. Or finding new ones as well. It seems like there could be a bit of conflict in your current path, but it doesn't seem like it's, yeah, that's why I'm getting like this kind of unbothered energy. It's like you kind of feel like there's possible conflict, like, oh yeah, old I heard old shadows, old demons that are popping up, but you know all their moves, you know all of their tricks. You're not gonna let it. That's probably why that because before I put all the cards back, the card for the devil, the trickster devil, was in reverse and it landed on here on the 6 of water. But you're so like in this unbothered, I'm doing myself, I'm doing myself, I'm doing me. I'm being the hero of my own story. Nothing is gonna shaketh me from my core. I'm standing here 10 toes down and going on my journey. See that perfect alignment, night and day? She's not even choosing, because she knows she doesn't have to. She is just standing here in perfect alignment, knowing themselves. I want to look at this this 5 of fire. Tell me about this 5 of fire. Let's see. Oh, they want me to pull one more from the Gaia deck. Hold up. Ooh. Ah. Knocking stuff over. Alright. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Alright. Yeah, your masculine side with the father here, you're really, which is the emperor, and in this deck, you're really just focused. You're not letting anything. See how just in the flow she is, how unbothered. The fish kind of brought me back here, even though there's no fish here, but the color had me connected. Even with this, just letting it flow, just letting it, you know how a lot of, if you listen to meditation videos on YouTube or get an app and stuff, they tell you, like, especially the app Calm, where they tell you don't fight those negative or distracting thoughts and noises that come when you're meditating. You just kind of just let them do what they need to do, and then you politely shoo them away. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting with this here. You're just like so at peace. It's like, I don't even care, do what you need to do, but then you need to go. That type of thing. Alrighty. Let me see. I do want to look at this. I still want to look at the 5 of fire here. Ah, okay, I see. The King of Cups. Yeah, oh yeah. You're so unbothered, and you're in like pure alignment. Well, not pure alignment, but you're in such alignment to where when these conflicts do come up, you You can handle it emotionally. It doesn't rattle you or nothing. You're all set. Like, when conflicts, possibly internal conflicts or external conflicts, you're just cool, calm, and collected. Nothing can move you here nor there. In a true state of peace, in a sense. Underneath that, we got the magician. So yeah, in the state, the world's your oyster. That's it. That's all. I guess we'll pull one more card. It's gonna be a short reading. Dang. Y'all so at peace. I don't got anything to say. Okay. Let's see here. What's going on with the tile? I'm not taking those. Let's do this again. Come on. Give me something. We got this. Ooh, there we go. I'll look at the bottom too. Completion, 63, breaking down to a 9. Completion. Final attainment. Victory, a cresido. I don't know it. I'm not even gonna. I'll look it up later, but not right. A job well done, perfection, peak performance, prudence. Anything else I need to say? I got nothing to say. I got nothing. Air signs, you're rocking out. 32, duration, consistency, continuity, and endurance, stability, a deep commitment, strengthening, maturity. Yep. You guys been doing your thing. You've come to know thyself. You guys are walking your path. You have your heart open, your mind's open. When conflict does come up, you're not shaken, you're not deterred. You stand there and you're like, okay. You don't fight with. They're showing me, like, in those kung fu karate movies and stuff, where when the student finally masters like tranquility and balance, they don't try to fight the opponent with their strength. They just kind of just let them glide off of them, and they're just letting them tire themselves out. That's kind of what he's doing in this. See how he's like more aggressive, and he's just like, yeah, I'm not wasting my energy here. You're just gonna keep throwing these punches, I'm gonna keep dodging them, and I'm gonna go about my day. It's that type of thing. So whatever the universe is ready to throw at you, you're prepared 100%. Wow, it's a short reading. It's really a short reading. Yeah, there's nothing I really want to clarify. I guess this is just a confirmation video for my vigilant air signs. Keep up the good work. Alright. So that's all I got for you, my lovely vigilant air signs. I'll talk to you later. Peace.